Here we go, Hobbybox604 back with another Toonie break. This is group break number 313, Wednesday, May 27th, Toonie Wednesday. Our first break of the night is 1011 Panini Zenith. Long time haven't done one of these. Good rookie year, box number is 832. Good rookie year, so let's hope that we get one of those top rookies. There is our Dare to Tear, which we will do at the end. There is the packs and empty box. Okay, good luck, guys. Here we go. Pack 1. We start with a rookie card for the New Jersey Devils, Alexander Vasyanov. And for the New York Rangers, jersey triple mosaics, Matt Zuccarello, Ryan Callahan, and Henrik Lundqvist. Zuccarello jersey piece right there. Base. Lots of good rookies this year for sure. Base. Base. Thinking about doing a case break of this product. Oh, nice. For the New York Rangers, rookie on-card autograph of Matt Zuccarello. Nice hit for the Rangers. Number 266 of 999. Good rookie too. Zuka. On-card autograph. And the triple mosaics insert for the Edmonton Oilers, Payarvi, Eberle, and Hall. Definitely good timing for that card. Base. Rangers box. Gifted Grinders, Ryan Callahan for the Rangers. Is that for you, Mark? You have the Rangers, right? Base. Nice. For the Nashville Predators, rookie roll call, Anders Lindback. Two packs left. Let's get one more auto. For the Boston Bruins, crease is the war, Tim Thomas. Last pack is Rene Burke, red. And the rookie roll call of Brad Marchand. Brad Marchand, rookie roll call for the Boston Bruins. And our Dare to Tear card now. So as I said, I'm thinking about doing a case break of this, guys. Let me know what you think. Definitely a nice product. And it's going to be cheap. So we did one before. I think it was like less than $20 a spot. So oh, nothing special. Rookie of Matt Bartowski for the Boston Bruins. 59 of 199, short print rookie, Matt Bartowski. It would be nice if it was Sagan, but it wasn't. There it is. There is that. And that was break number 313. Thanks for watching. Chicago scored a goal.